So check it out. I just added a Marx E7 dummy A unit to the Florida East Coast units. I drilled out the faux Mars light and put a Marx E7 headlight lens in there, and I added a 19-volt LED from Evan Designs. I use a Lionel roller pickup that fits nicely in between the Marx truck covers to illuminate it. My daughter does the taping for me. I also made decals for the side black windows. The lettering came from Microscale. I use a Sharpie with a wide tip to darken in the upper grills. I added plastic for the windshield as well as the side windows. So we're all set with it. We're going to hook up some cars to it and we'll see how it runs. Okay, great. I think it runs great. It looks great. The Marx E7 is a more than capable performer and it hauls those cars easily. Plan on adding a few more of the Union Pacific cars for my Union Pacific E7s, but for now I'll let the Florida East Coast ones haul them around. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this build, and God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.